Yokogawa is tackling high energy costs and reducing emissions in European process industries through enterprise-wide system efficiency gains and fuel-switching alternatives, ensuring Europe maintains its manufacturing edge. High domestic energy costs and aggressive overseas subsidies are putting pressure on European manufacturers. Whilst European businesses have been transforming to capture continuous year-on-year energy savings, deeper savings are requiring deeper digitalization of energy. Energy strategies and roadmaps require reprioritization in a new normal, with faster and more efficient implementation and results delivery. The key enablers of this are real-time data, operational execution, and prioritization, made possible by deep subject matter know-how coupled with modern cutting-edge technology. Yokogawa is the leading energy efficiency results delivery partner, boosting the competitiveness of European manufacturing and keeping Europe on track with its net zero commitments, delivering major carbon reduction and multi-million-dollar savings with rapid return on investment. Just like strategies must be executed, superior results must be sustained. With over 40 years operating in Europe, Yokogawa accelerates delivery of superior results, sustained through 4 Rs: roadmap validation and reprioritization, readiness assessment, reality awareness and real-time optimization, and digital twins. Yokogawa, integrator of all, boosting competitiveness of European manufacturing.